Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Tired of opening your kitchen cabinet and finding water stains or mystery leaks under the sink? This under-sink waterproof silicone mat is such a simple but genius upgrade. It fits easily inside most cabinets and drawers, creating a protective barrier that catches drips, spills, and even full-on leaks before they damage your shelves. The raised edges hold water in place, and when it's time to clean up, just press the edge to drain and wipe it down in seconds. No more warped wood, no more moldy smells. It's flexible, durable, and super easy to trim for a perfect fit. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out and protect your cabinets the smart way. If your cutting boards and baking sheets are stacked in a messy pile, this 2-pack pull-out cabinet organizer is a total game changer. It slides out smoothly and quietly so you can grab exactly what you need without the struggle. Made from heavy-duty material, it holds your trays and cookie sheets securely, and installation is quick and simple. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out and upgrade your kitchen storage today. If your kitchen counter feels cluttered after every wash, this stainless steel dish drying rack is such a smart upgrade. It's made from premium, rust-resistant material, so it looks sleek and lasts long. The compact design saves counter space but still holds plenty of plates, bowls, and cups. Plus, the detachable cutlery holder keeps forks and knives organized and easy to grab. It's super easy to install, simple to clean, and perfect for everyday use. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out and make your sink area look instantly more organized. If your cabinets or fridge feel cluttered and hard to reach, the OXO Good Grips Lazy Susan Turntable makes organizing so much easier. It spins smoothly on durable steel ball bearings, and the soft, non-slip lip keeps everything in place while you turn it. The deep ledge helps bottles and jars stay upright, and the larger base prevents it from hitting surrounding items. Plus, the non-slip rubber feet protect your surfaces. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out and upgrade your kitchen organization. If you're running out of counter space, this stainless steel magnetic stove shelf is such a clever fix. It sits right on top of your stove and instantly gives you extra storage for spices, oils, and everyday essentials. The best part? Zero installation. It uses powerful built-in magnets to stay securely in place and fits most flat and even slightly curved stoves. No drilling, no tools, no damage. The sleek stainless steel finish also makes your kitchen look more modern and organized. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out and upgrade your kitchen space in seconds. If your kitchen drawer is a mess of plastic wrap, foil, and storage bags, this bamboo food storage bag organizer is such a satisfying upgrade. It neatly holds your sandwich bags, gallon bags, foil, and plastic wrap all in one place, with a built-in dispenser for easy cutting and quick access. The elegant bamboo design looks beautiful and instantly makes your drawer feel organized. It's space-saving, practical, and makes meal prep so much smoother. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out and transform your kitchen drawers today. If you want your spices organized and looking elegant, the Tenta Kitchen Gourmet Acrylic Seasoning Box is a perfect upgrade. Made from high-quality acrylic with 18/8 stainless steel accents, it includes 4 compartments and serving spoons, plus non-slip seals to keep everything secure. It's easy to clean, anti-corrosive, and perfect for salt, sugar, and spices. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out. If you love serving bread in style, This two-set wicker bread basket with acrylic lid is such a beautiful addition to your table. Made from quality woven material, it gives that warm, rustic look, while the clear protective lid keeps your bread fresh and covered. It's perfect for bread, pastries, or even fruit. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out and upgrade your serving game. Need extra kitchen space? This small solid wood top kitchen island cart on wheels is a total game changer. It has a sturdy solid wood countertop, 3 drawers, and a cabinet for plenty of storage, plus smooth rolling wheels so you can move it anywhere. Stylish, stable, and super practical. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out. If your utensil drawer is a mess, the KitchenEdge Premium Silverware Organizer makes it instantly neat and organized. It's expandable to fit different drawer sizes, made from food-safe contract-grade material, and keeps your flatware perfectly separated and easy to grab. Simple upgrade, big difference. I've linked it below on Amazon and AliExpress. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.